Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a wig video. Now that I have locks, I feel like the one question everybody was asking me was, how do you put your locks under your wig? So I'm going to show you today, and of course it's featuring Nadula hair. If you guys have been rocking with me, you know I've worked with Nadula hair. Honestly, I trust them as a company because all their hair that I've ever gotten from them was really good. And the fact that they changed their packaging and the wig comes pre-plucked and it's glueless is absolutely amazing. So as usual, we put foundation on the inside of a wig. I haven't actually worn a wig in a really long time because it has so much volume, super silky. To put my locks under my wig, I make sure I wet it first and then I go in and put on my wig cap. I really like this wig cap that came with it because it was very thin, and the wig cap I've used before is like a super thick wig cap, so I really like it. And as you can tell, my locks are really flat. You can also go in and scarf your hair before this. Now this wig is glueless. The only reason why I glued it down was just because I wanted to make sure that it was secure on my head. However, if you do get this wig, you do not have to glue it down. It's one of those wigs that you can wear without gluing it down. But for me, I just really love that smooth glued down look. So that is really the reason why I glued it down. Do you not see the way it just melts into my skin? And this band, I've always had a band like this, but this is so aesthetically pleasing, guys. Like, do you not see the vibe? Anyway, a little bit about this hair. It's very, very soft. It doesn't shed. It has a lot of body. So, I will link all the information of the wig in the information description down below, where you can get it, my coupon code and everything like that, so you guys can have that. I feel like it's literally the perfect summer wig. If I was to wear a wig every day, it would be this, because I just feel like it's really nice. Like, this is actually the type of wig that I used to wear all the time, if you guys know, back in like 2016, and I really love them because it just has this like really nice bohemian aesthetic to it, and you guys know I love that bohemian aesthetic. So yeah, I did my makeup as usual. I always like to do a makeup look for you guys. But look at the material. Do you see how soft and just well textured the hair is? And wow, look at that. Look at the body. Look at the body. Look at this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make sure that I brought you just a quick video of this hair tutorial because I felt like you guys needed it on YouTube. I have all the information, like I said, in the description down below, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Bye. See you in my next video.